Good morning class. I welcome you again in grade 7. Students, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is the chapter number 7, and the name of the chapter is Tribal and Nomadic Societies. Dear students, most of our communities have own their origin of tribes either from India or from the outside country of India. So this was mainly due to the migratory nature of groups of peoples who moved from one place to another in searching of a better settlement and for the fulfillment of their own needs. So now today in this chapter we are going to discuss about that what is the meaning of a tribal and what are the nomadic societies. So our first topic in this chapter is that evolution of tribal societies. So our Indian society is made up of several regional groups which is subdivided into various groups, and these groups were called jatis. Basically the jatis was a rise to a varna system. So before the varna system was introduced, Indian society was primarily made up of several regional tribes and a small group of peoples, and these group of peoples is called jatis. So jatis were a group of peoples who are having a similar occupation and who belong to the same tribe, that is called jatis. So the jatis helps in for the development of a more complex system, and the name of that system is called a varna system. So the varna system was formulated with the objective of scattering of these groups of people into a systematic structure with which they are having a professional homogeneity. So basically this is the evolution of a tribal societies. Now our next one is the tribal societies. The tribes were primarily hunters and pastorals. So basically their livelihood depend on the nature. So the early tribes were nomadic and they moved from one place to another in the searching of a food, job, etc. So there are various features which are included in the tribal societies, like tribals are individuals who don't take after standards set around a society. Most of the tribes were dependent on the agribusiness. Here meaning of agribusiness means agriculture, and others were the herders or seeker gatherers. So tribes were even traveling and moved from one place to another in the searching of a food. So there were even conflicts among tribes, and they have an effective position based social orders. So this is the basic history of a tribal society in India. So this picture shows that tribal society in India. So the tribal society includes the various physical features, like they did not keep written records and they can preserved orally. They did not let outsiders into their areas of a habitation. They lived in remote areas such as in a dense forest, hilly areas, deserts, mountains, etc. So students, this slide shows you a occupation of a tribal people. So some of them mostly engaged in the agribusiness sector. Basically it is engaged in the agriculture sector, and they can collecting the honey, and others led a nomadic lifestyle. So there are various types of a tribal group in our society. Like in northwest India, it consists of a Baluchi. In the area of a Punjab, it includes Khakars. In the western part, it includes Bills and Collies. In the central India, it includes people of a Gonds. In the east, it can includes Mundas, Chiros, etc. And in the southern area, they include the peoples like Bhagdagas, waiters, etc. Now our next question arises that who are nomadics? Basically, they are the peaceful wanderers which starting moving with one place then on to the next place with their crowd of creatures. Here the meaning of creatures means with their animals. So they made due to drain items and tranked ghee, fleece and so on. It means that with the use of their own animals they can produce a different types of milk product items like ghee, butter, etc. The most essential broker migrants were banjaras. Basically banjaras are those people which moves from one place to another in searching of food. Now next one is the lifestyle of tribes. So each tribe has its own laws to go on areas occupied by their peoples. So the primary occupation for all the tribes was agriculture. So their main occupation is the agribusiness or an agriculture system.